Let's dive into these AI money secrets. It's all about using AI tools to potentially make $10,000 a month by 2025.
Yeah, that's crazy, right? It's like using AI to automate tasks and even conquer freelancing gigs.
Exactly, and the idea is that you don't need any fancy skills to get rolling. It's essentially showing you a step-by-step plan to tap into AI automation.
Yep. I'm just wondering, though, how realistic is it? I mean, isn't there a lot of competition in that space?
Good point. The approach here is to leverage niche strategies, like focusing on AI money, proxy passive income, and that innovative proxy AI hustle mindset. It's basically about carving out your space using the latest AI tools.
Right, so you're saying it's a step-by-step roadmap that guides you from simple tasks to fully automated income streams?
Yeah, it is, and it's kind of like, building a digital business where the heavy lifting is done by AI. Imagine it's like having a tireless assistant that works 24/7, automating everything from content creation to client outreach.
Right. That sounds pretty revolutionary, but don't you think that might make the market too crowded?
I get what you mean, but the strategy emphasizes innovation and early adoption. It's about being smart with the tools at your disposal and using them to create value uniquely, kind of like following a secret recipe, where each ingredient is purposefully set to build towards that $10,000 mark.
Interesting. So, does the plan only focus on automation, or does it talk about other income streams too?
It definitely goes beyond pure automation. There's also a focus on freelancing and leveraging AI to scale those efforts. You see, the method encourages mixing traditional gigs with automated workflows, so you're not solely dependent on one income source.
I like that diversity, spreading your risk while harnessing cutting-edge tech.
Exactly, and that's the beauty of it. By breaking it down step by step, it makes it accessible for everyone, even for those who feel a bit intimidated by technology. It really demystifies the whole process.
Right. But what about the skeptics who say it might be too idealistic or, overhyped?
Fair question. The method does sound ambitious, maybe even a bit optimistic. But the idea is to inspire a proactive mindset. Sure, it might not be a magic bullet, but it provides a clear framework for tapping into emerging AI trends.
Yep. When you put it like that, it almost seems like a modern blueprint for financial empowerment.
Exactly. It's a kind of digital alarm clock urging us to wake up and embrace a new era of passive income. And with tags like AI 2025, it really sets the tone for the future. Forward-thinking and very ambitious.
It's definitely a conversation starter. Mixing technology with traditional hustles to reimagine our income strategies.
Yep, so basically, whether you're a freelancer or just someone tired of the 9 to 5, this approach could be your ticket to financial freedom in the AI era.
Right. Inspiring stuff indeed. It's amazing what a little creativity and strategic automation can do.
Absolutely. And it goes to show, if you're willing to innovate and work with these new tools, that 10K per month in 2025 might just be within arm's reach.
Yep. Well, here's to a future where AI is on our side. Cheers to that journey.
Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.